说我是你的爱，为什么你又忽然选择离开？是我不温柔，还是我不乖？轻轻握后，黑脸拉下来。你常对我说我是唯一爱，为什么你又钻进他的胸怀？是我不做人，还是我不乖？恩爱过后不见你回来，爱情不是菜，不要乱动筷。我不是那喜欢玩火的坏女孩，爱情不是菜，不要乱动筷。爱我就别让我把你的心撕开，爱情不是菜，不要乱动筷。我不要那喜欢我暧昧的坏男孩。
Introduce Gene Adams scripts. Second, let's continue study the Gene Adams edit. The edit is at the Gene Adams RPG version 2, chapter 10, with two folders. One is MLS demo, another one is MLS edit. Let's open MLS edit, not only to edit the MLS of chapter 10, but also we can edit the MLS files of chapter 16, the towers. Let's go. This is the MLS editor screen showing. First of all, if we want to load the actions of chapter 16, just press the load actions, this button. You will see the load action file API and the file folder from C drive book code RPG2 chapter 16, the data file folder. Inside only one MLA files. Pick this game.mla, open this file. Are you sure? Discards any unsaved script information. Yes. Then you can see the whole contents of game.mla are listed in the area of actions. Let's see one by one. You have end script, else, and if number flag 0 equals true, name. If variable 0 equals 0, name. Set flag 0 to true. Set variable 0 to 0. Okay. This one. Set the variable. The variable in sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, etc. You can set the variable to the value. Label number 0 with index. Go to label. If you have a label, then the program of script can use go to label number 0. Display message text. Add the characters ID equal to 0. Definition equal to 0. Type PC. Add S position, Y position, Z position. Remove character ID equal to 0. You can add characters, so you can remove characters as well by means of ID number. Move character ID equal to 0 to 5 minus 5000 minus 5000 minus 5000. Set the character ID equal to 0, direction to minus 6.28, etc. Set characters ID equal to 0, type to PC. Set character ID equal to 0, AI to stand. Set character ID equal to 0, target to characters ID equal to 0. Set character ID equal to 0, target to none. Set character ID equal to 0, bounds to minus 5000 minus 5000 minus 5000. Set character ID equal to 0, distance to 0. Set characters ID to 0, script to taxis. Enable character ID equal to 0. Create a root with 1 point. Set the root point 0 to minus 5000 minus 5000 minus 5000. Assign root to character ID equal to 0. Add 1 health point to character ID equal to 0. These actions with 4 entries. Cure status element flex equal to 1 to character ID equal to 0. Character ID equal to 0, learns spare number 0. Teleport character ID equal to 0 to map number 1. To map 1 at minus 5000 minus 5000 minus 5000. Set character ID equal to 0, message to text for number 1 milliseconds. Set character ID equal to 0, action to idle, adding 1 milliseconds to cycle. If character ID equal to 0, speed level is at least 0, name. If name, barter using ICS text, number quality 0 or more items number 0 is in character ID equal to 0, inventory name is if name style. At the quality 0 of item 0 to character ID equal to 0, inventory. Remove quality 0 of item number 0 from character ID equal to 0, inventory. At the triangle barrier ID equal to 1 at minus 5000 minus 5000 minus 5000 position. Enable barrier ID equal to 1. Remove barrier ID equal to 1. Add the triangle trigger ID equal to 1 at minus 5000 minus 5000 minus 5000. Enable trigger ID equal to 1. Remove trigger ID equal to 1. Play sound effect 0. Play music 0. Stop music. Win gains. Mark text. Separator. Wait for 1 milliseconds. If random number from 0 to 1 is greater or equal 0, name. If name style, the first time with bigger or equals action. Render a frame. Okay, this is all the actions could be used in the procedure of the game named tower. You can edit a new script. Maybe better to load an existing scripts for examination. So the chapter 16 status, you can see the child is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 5 child is EOC 1 until EOC 5 EOC MLS. EOR0, EOR4, EOR5, 3 EOR MLS. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Sing MLS. SOC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With 5 SOC. The triggers. Trigger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triggers. So the whole games of towers, the execution 5 defined. The whole procedures to run the game is depend on what script, actually what MLS is opened and executed. We don't need to alter any source file. We can do variations of the game. For example, the scene can be changed easily. The characters and the character numbers, the character style, whatever can be altered as you wish. The tuple, the spare, the triggers, all can be managed according to the edited MLS file. Let's see, for examples, a simple, the scene 1 MLS. As you load scene 1, the script, you can see the whole script's instructions one by one in here. The first one, store scene, is for descriptions, the action down below. Just edit. You can see the commands store scene number, only one entry. The entry is quoted by this and this mark. Only one entry. We are editing the first entry. The text of the entry is store scene number. The second, set variable 1 to 1. Set variable, where is the comments? Okay, let's check again. Oh, here, set the variable 0 to 0. We use it. Set the variable 1 to 1. If you want to change anything, just edit the set variable 1 to 1 with 2 entries. Right now, edit the first one, this one, which is an integer entry. You can input the value from 0 to 255. Right now, it's 1. You can change whatever. The variable could be 0, 1, 2, 3 until 255. Totally 256 values. If we want to change the variable 9, and then to what the number, you just press this button. You see variable 9 already. Suppose the value you give 11, you just press this one or this one. If you changed 9 to 11 already, after everything satisfied, just say press OK. Then you can see the variable 9 to 11. Okay, the next process start off. Let's see the total sentence. The command only with 1 entry. Right now we are adding the first number 1 entry. The text entity says process start of gain stuff. Okay, then if none else, okay, here if flag 0 equals false, then you can do this action, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can 11, 12. You can do 12 actions until and if. Then the next procedure, whatever. Suppose at the last and if, we will end the script. How to do it? You can use click end script by using the button add to script. End script. Okay. You can see immediately the end script is added at the last lines as you wish. Suppose all the MLS file in the screen are edited. Okay, then we can use save script to save scene 1 back into book course RPG2 chapter 16, the data file folder. Still use the original scene 1 file name, or maybe you can change the file name to scene 1A or whatever, and then press save file. As running the program of tower, if the scene 1 MLS loaded into the program, you will see this time is different from the one before editing. Okay, what we want to say is the chapter 10's edit of scripts This program can be used widely for any scripts MLS editing, even for your own script program as well. You only, before loading the MLA file, which is specified according to your program needed. Okay, the introduction. Gene Adams script second ending.
常对我说，我是唯一爱，为什么你又钻进他的胸怀？是我不做人，还是我不乖？恩爱过后不见你回来，爱情不是菜，不要乱动筷。我不是那喜欢玩火的坏女孩，爱情不是菜，不要乱动筷。爱我就别让我把你的心撕开，爱情不是菜，不要乱动筷。我不要那喜欢我暧昧的坏男孩，爱情不是菜，不要乱动筷。我要一个能抱我一生的男孩。